Imagine like you're in a night out and a guy's like trying to get your number. Like, excuse me, miss, can I get your number? No thanks, I have a boyfriend. Really? Your boyfriend don't let you have friends? Wow. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I honestly can't tell you how excited I am to film this video because today we're going to be unboxing 3 pairs of shoes that I got from Saint Laurent. These pieces that I picked up honestly are going to transform my entire closet. Okay, so I'm reporting live from my bedroom. It is a very gloomy day today in London. Also, it's like the end of October and you know the clocks have gone back and I think daylight saving time is over now. So yeah, it's safe to say that it feels a little bit depressing, but I feel like it doesn't have to be that depressing when you have good pieces in your wardrobe that just help transform your winter and fall outfits. And as the weather changes and the fashion world shifts to a different season, so does the change in our closets. I found myself going through my closet and getting rid of a lot of pieces that I feel like don't really reflect my current style right now. I had like a huge closet clear out and edit recently where I just got rid of so many pieces I felt like don't really work for me anymore. And of course, out with the old, in with the new. So I got 3 new pairs of shoes from Saint Laurent that I feel like are just really going to transform my winter outfits this season. Although when I shop, I try to pick pieces that have that timeless appeal to them so that I can wear them not only in winter but also like spring, summer, that sort of thing. Especially when you make the decision to invest in like a good designer brand, right? These pieces cost money and I like when you spend money on like investment staples, especially like in your shoe closet and that sort of thing. I like my pieces to have that versatility to them so I can wear them in spring or summer or winter, autumn, that sort of thing. So today we're going to be unboxing 3 pairs of shoes from Saint Laurent that I'm dying to show you. I'm so excited to unbox these pieces and style them with you. I mean, is it really a Sergio style video if there is no styling? Also, I'm gonna give you a little OOTD. Today I'm wearing my Chanel cashmere cardigan. If you guys watch my Chanel unboxing, I love it so much. It's super cozy. It's the perfect thing to wear, especially when it's like grey and gloomy like this. I'm also wearing this belt that I got from Saint Laurent a long time ago. Some grey wool trousers from Theory that I love so much. And of course, the star of the outfit, my fluffy grey socks. I feel super cozy. I've got my cup of coffee as well. And yeah, let's go through these pieces together. Okay, so 3 pairs of shoes from Saint Laurent. I'm always singing. Does anyone else do that thing where you just sing for no reason? Okay, so little background story. I have a bit of a fashion background. So I used to work as a fashion stylist and personal shopper when I was like much younger. Sort of like propelled me into the whole like fashion thing. I remember I was pulling a pair of shoes for a client and it was these Saint Laurent feathered boots. I remember actually when I was pulling them, I just took it as a chance to try them on as well because I mean, why not? You know, they're so incredible. Do you know, I never used to be like the biggest Saint Laurent fan. Not until Anthony Vaccarello like debuted his first collection. So the previous creative director, Heidi Slimane, had left and Anthony Vaccarello had joined Saint Laurent. I think this was like around 2016 or 2017. There's something about the way a designer designs for women that you can tell this person genuinely loves women. And there's always been this recurring theme with Saint Laurent of like strong, sexy woman who is daring, who loves to like make a statement through her pieces of clothing. And I just feel like the Saint Laurent woman that Anthony Vaccarello designs for, I can see myself in that woman. I remember when I tried on those boots, they were so incredible. I still remember this picture of like Rihanna when she wore them. I don't know if you remember that picture. That was like quite an iconic picture, and that was a time of my life where I was so young. There was no way I could afford like the dream brands that I love. So I remember a couple seasons after, there were these like feathered heels by Saint Laurent. I managed to hands down on Vestiaire Collective, one of my favorite secondhand retail store for buying designer pieces. I did a TikTok some time ago where I showed like some of my favorite pieces that I got from Vestiaire Collective. So yeah, I would normally get Saint Laurent pieces that I really love, secondhand, that sort of thing. This is actually my first Saint Laurent shoe that I bought like full price from the store. You know, because I feel like I've got into a stage, I work super hard every single day to build the dream closet that I want with the dream brands that resonate with me as a person. Saint Laurent is so intentional about the type of woman it designs for. It speaks to me. The pieces are sexy. I'm talking too much. I need to show you these shoes. That honestly just took my breath away when I saw the shoes. So first shoe, I got the most gorgeous, beautiful, I've already tried these on to like style outfits. We're going to be styling every single piece. I got something very sexy. This is actually new season from Saint Laurent. So it's sort of like this slingback heel and it has this super pointy detail. I mean, I think this is such a sexy shoe. Like, I love the slingback detail. It's like a patent leather with like a silk, or is it satin, sort of like detail on the side. I absolutely love that pop of color. It's just such a good like pointy heel. These shoes actually remind me a little bit of like Knife. These shoes are quite man repelling shoes just because of how like super pointy that toe cap is. Imagine like you're in a night out and a guy's like trying to get your number, like, excuse me miss, can I get your number? No thanks, I have a boyfriend. Really? Your boyfriend don't let you have friends? Wha-pow. They're so sharp, they're like weapons. You just wha-pow. Yeah, these are man-repelling shoes in my opinion. They're just so sexy. I love it so much. These are new season from Saint Laurent. They're gonna transform so many outfits. You can wear them daytime, nighttime. I've got a bird outside my window that agrees with me. Right, second pair of shoes. I also got another slingback. This one is in like a dark brown. I'm not really sure how that's showing up on camera, but it's a dark brown patent leather as well. Shoe with a little bit of a lower heel on this. And yeah, I just think this is so beautiful. This is a really beautiful color for fall. It's just such a beautiful shoe. Can't wait to wear this. Can't wait to show you how I would style these shoes. I think it's just such, you can see the difference in the pointiness of the shoe. I feel like the black one is a lot like a slimmer toe cap versus the brown version. Honestly, do you know who does the best slingback shoes? Saint Laurent. I could actually wear this to work, nighttime events, dinners, Christmas parties, birthdays. I love it so much. I'm going to show you how I'm going to style these. I had a field day styling these. These are the shoes that I'm extremely excited for to wear this season. The most beautiful burgundy mules. These are honestly so beautiful in the most gorgeous burgundy color for this winter season. I love them so much. They also come with this YSL logo, sort of like logo thing. I think that should be focusing, shouldn't it? I honestly love them so much because I feel like mules are so easy to style, especially in the evenings when they have this casual but glam vibe about them. It's got this like pleated detail, which is actually very fun. Very excited to wear this. I'm going to show you how I'm going to style every single thing. Ladies and gents, the last thing I wanted to show you is something that came today, like literally just arrived 30 minutes before I started filming, because I'm going to be styling this with some of the shoes and some other outfits in my closet. I got this cashmere sweater. I think it's safe to say, ladies and gentlemen, that we're officially in cashmere weather. I had a dream last night of an outfit with this jumper and these mules. I'm going to show you how I style these. On my blog, I've written many articles on tried and tested cashmere pieces from the best cashmere brands of all time, cashmere lounge sets, sweaters, jumpers and more. On my next video, I'll bring these articles to life by showing you some of my favorite cashmere pieces in my wardrobe and what's actually worth buying this season that caters to every budget. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my next video, because we're going to have a cozy hangout trying on cashmere pieces. Apologies about the lighting, it's got so dark in my bedroom. I had to switch on my filming light. So this is my first look. I love this COS Cashmere. I find the cut to be very flattering and it has this like curved detail. Now I went for a size medium because I like that sort of like relaxed fit on the sleeve. I feel like it stops just at my wrist. I'll attach a photo of how it looked on the model versus on me. Now, something you must know, I have incredibly long arms. I'm a tall girl, so my arms are so long they probably stop just like above my knees. And so because of that, clothes can fit quite different on me. They're great for reaching things at the top of the shelf. However, sleeves are sometimes short on me. I love the sweater nonetheless. If you have normal human being arms, you should be perfectly fine. However, if your arms are just as long as mine, then we might sort of face the same situation. Might do a nice evening cut. I could wear this jumper during the day with some jeans and some loafers, and in the evening, if you literally texted me like, let's go out for drinks or something on, I don't know, like a Wednesday evening, I would swap it out for this midi silk skirt, my Saint Laurent mules, and of course this evening bag. I think this could be a perfect evening look for this autumn winter season because the cashmere sweater keeps you super cozy and warm, and you have this midi skirt which gives you the perfect amount of coverage, and you add that little sexiness with this Saint Laurent mules and your favorite evening bag, and you're ready for the evening. Got very inspired by a comment one of my subscribers have left me about mixing pink and burgundy. So I thought my second look, I'm wearing the slingbacks that I got with the sort of like pop of color of the pink. This one's the one with super pointy toe cap, which I love so much. Light pink and burgundy. Honestly, I think this look works so well. Layered my look with this white top underneath because I feel like it just breaks up that pink and brown ever so slightly. I wish I had a Hermes Kelly belt. Actually, to be honest, I'm due a visit to see my essay at Hermes. I think actually I'm going to pick up a Hermes belt. I also would pair this brown blazer, this brown and pink combination. Magnificenato! What? You know when you love your outfit, when you start making up words that don't even make any sense. Also, I had to check that. I believe I was trying to say magnifico. I officially need more Duolingo practice. I love this so much. The brown is very tonal, gives like the perfect autumn vibes, and I feel like the pink brings a hint of playfulness and fun, which I think we definitely could do with during this gloomy time in autumn. I definitely love to bring fun through my outfits, and I think this look does just that. I would actually wear this to a meeting or something because I feel so incredible in this look. Now for my next look, I've kept it very autumnal with the brown tones and the burgundy. I'm wearing my brown slingbacks by Saint Laurent and some white jeans. These ones by Frame, these barrel leg style jeans, which I love so much. I can't tell you how many outfits I've created with these jeans. I got them recently. Now, without a doubt, a brown blazer is the ultimate fall staple. It's that versatile piece that goes with every single thing. Now, I can style this further with, say the weather gets a lot colder, I would layer my outfit even further by throwing on this cashmere cardigan, this brown one by Kate that I love so much. My Throw Margot, which I rave about all the time just because I wear it every single time. Well, most of the time during the day when I have like errands and stuff to do. It's the perfect bag that just fits everything and it looks so incredibly chic as well. I just love the colors of this look. Even though this look is very autumnal and brown and tonal, I've sort of brightened it up and kept it quite fun with these white jeans. Just sort of like breaks up those, you know, brown and burgundy tones, which I love it so much. And also these brown heels by Saint Laurent just pulls this look together. Okay, so I wanted to transform my previous look just a tad bit further. I also feel like with these jeans, I could have gone a size smaller just because there's just a lot of excess space. This is a size 28. I probably could have gone with a 27. I just wanted it to be super baggy at the bottom, so I probably will get it tailored. Anyways, I've put the same blazer back on, but I'm going to play with the dimensions of this barrel leg jeans and get the full balloon effect. Add in a belt and just really taking in that waist so you can get that barrel leg effect, which I absolutely love. Now, for bag, I'm thinking my Birkin 25, one of my favorite bags. I mean, clearly I have a thing for brown, as we can see, but I love it so much. This is such a good look that I could wear maybe to a meeting, perhaps even an event if I wanted that power dressing. And I feel like the colors work really well. And of course, these brown Saint Laurent slingbacks really brings my look together. Okay, so this is a look I would wear to maybe lunch or maybe even dinner if I wanted something super, you know, cozy. What I love about this look is it's easy, right? It's easy. You've got a nice, simple, asymmetric top. These barrel leg jeans that I love so much. Hermes Kelly bag. Also, I think it's safe to say it's official. I definitely need a burgundy version of this belt just because I think that would work. I mean, I have to get it now because my shoes are burgundy and my bag's burgundy, so any excuse to shop, right? But yeah, I think this is just such a nice, easy look. Got here my Kelly strap and we're just gonna make do. Improvise. Wow, I just turned my Kelly strap into an Hermes belt. I think that looks great. I mean, I still need to get a Kelly belt nonetheless. But I think that looks pretty good, doesn't it? One of my favorite things about these mules is how easily they pair with midi skirts or maxi skirts or even dresses. I've opted for this asymmetric dress paired with a crop blazer. This is giving how I used to dress when I was like 18 years old to work, when I was working as a stylist and that sort of thing. I just love it so much. It's fun, flowy, exciting, a bit unusual, which I love. I very much enjoy that sort of like eccentric style vibe anyway. I think actually it would be a perfect look, perhaps even to a dinner or maybe an event. I feel like this is the only bag I keep wearing. If I was to make this look a little bit more daytime, perhaps I would go for my Alaya Teckled. I talked about this bag in my fall favorites. It pairs beautifully with a look like this. I've decided actually to throw in another evening look. I've done this cashmere turtleneck paired with some leather shorts. Now with these tights, I think I might need to order some opaque tights because I feel like these are not as see-through as I want them. And I've done one of my favorite winter coats. It's like a wool maxi coat. Incredible like shoulder pads. Really brings back that, you know, that 90s vibe, that which is I think very Saint Laurent coded. I think I might do probably a simple clutch with this look. I just feel like there are a few things I need to get to make this look completely perfect. I've also done some statement earrings as well. Definitely bring a lot more fun through your choices of accessories. I love this look so much. I think it's very strong and sexy, and I most definitely will be wearing this winter. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed boxing these pieces with me and styling them for day-to-day looks. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you love luxury fashion and unboxings and that sort of thing, and comment which look was your favorite. I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Bye guys.